Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Thursday, February the 11th, 2021. Two Sudokus to go, a binary puzzle and a tectonic are left to solve. But first, I will solve this baby. This one will be number 2312. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me think. No, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. Then, double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then double O here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this first row, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 1s, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Those are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Do I need to compare? That's the question. This row and that row. 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. A double O here, 1 there, 1. A double 1 here, no there, no. Alright. We have I need to compare again. 1 2 3, double 1 here. Do we have a 1 1? Yeah. Do we have a 101 here? No. Yeah. 101. No 101. So I cannot compare this row, cannot this column. So I need to find 101 here. I need to compare those columns, I think. Do we have here? Here? Yeah! Alright, this column. 1100 empty box. 110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 5 minutes, alright. Great binary, boys and girls. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Leave a comment if it's too difficult for you or too fast. But you can also pause the video or play at the half of the speed. Anyway, thank you again. See you later with the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one, yes, with 4 stars. Prepare for the last one. See you later. Bye bye for now.